All right, going to be going through this kata. In this kata, you are asked to square every digit of a number and then concatenate them together. For example, if we run 9119, the function is 81181 because 9 squared is 81 and 1 squared is 1. So this 9 corresponds to this 81, this 1 corresponds to the 1, and then the 81. So I'm going to use this as my test case. And our variable is num. So num equals this. I'm going to iterate through this. So for x in num, I just iterate through this like this. You can't iterate through it, so I need to make this a string. And then, so now I can iterate through each of them, but if I square them now, it'll throw an error because I converted it to a string. So I need to convert it back to an integer. So 81, 11, 81. And then I'm gonna append this to a list. So my list equals this. It'll be my list dot append this. And then I am left with this. I need to concatenate this all together. To do that, I don't know. This is probably not the best way to do this because I'm doing another for loop, but I'm going to do some list comprehension here. So for y in my list, and then convert it to a string. So now I have strings. The reason I wanted to do that because I'm jumping a little bit ahead, but I'm going to use a join. What this does is it'll just combine the list together. So that, and then if I convert this to an integer at the end, we have our result. So that's one way to do this. And I'm just kind of curious how long it takes to run. So it took 58 microseconds to run. So I want to try this another way as well. I'm going to time it. Percent time. Instead of appending this to a list, I'm going to append this to a string or add this to a string. So my list plus equals string this. So it's going to square it and then convert it to a string. This red seems like it is off. And then integer my list. So this took about half the time. If we do time it, it'll run it multiple times. So this took 4 microseconds on average and ran it a bunch of times. This took 3.42 microseconds. So they're about the same. I'm going to do this one because it's a little bit faster. Let's see if it works. And cool. Passed the test cases. Passed everything. So, yep, looks like that passes everything. So that's my solution.